Bonjour.
Hallo.
Moin.
Hello.
Bonjour.
1 year ago, we have joined in one partnership to promote demand-driven and inclusive vocational education and training and skills development. We are the VET Toolbox. As leading European development agencies, we'd like to equip VET learners so they can find their path to the labor market. We do this by providing technical assistance and advice to partner countries, by funding innovative projects for vulnerable and disadvantaged groups through vocational education and training, by developing and sharing knowledge and tools. During our first year in operation, we have developed a 5-year business plan which prioritizes demand-driven and inclusive VET in developing countries. We have advised 9 organizations in 7 countries on private sector involvement, inclusiveness and evidence-based policymaking in VET. We built a strong and innovative partnership between 5 European leading agencies. We produced our first tool on management of training institutions. We launched a €4 million call for proposals on inclusion in VET. We developed a user-friendly website, sharing knowledge, stories and good practices, and giving you all the information you need to know on the VET Toolbox. We officially launched the VET Toolbox in Belgium, Mali, Senegal, Ghana, Pakistan and Vietnam. We supported the organization of a regional seminar on public-private partnership in Senegal that involved more than 100 participants from 18 countries. We want to do more and we will. Let's start 2019 with clear priorities. 1. Extend collaboration with governments, private sector companies and civil society organizations in VET. 2. Fast-track VET Toolbox processes of interventions and tool development. 3. Ensure increased private sector involvement in VET Toolbox actions. 4. Offer qualitative and relevant knowledge on inclusive and demand-driven VET. The VET Toolbox. Relevant skills for all.